Hello everyone and welcome to the online session of science. So today we'll cover some topics from chapter 2, which is nutrition in animal. So topics to be covered are liver, gallbladder, pancreas, function of bile juice, absorption of food and function of villi. So we'll start with liver. Liver is a gland present on the right side of the upper abdomen and it is reddish brown in color, as you can see in the picture, and you can see the different lobes of the liver also. And the important thing about liver is the largest gland present in our body, and liver secretes some kind of digestive juice which we call bile juice, and this bile juice stored in a sac like structure, or you can say in a bag like structure, which we called gallbladder. You can see in the picture. So in our next slide we'll discuss about gallbladder. So this is about liver. Our next slide is about gallbladder. So as I have told you, bile juice stored in a gallbladder, and the main function of bile juice is it breaks down the complex, or you can say the large fat globules, into smaller fat globules, which is easy to digest. So this process, when large fat globules break down into smaller fat globules, is called emulsification, and further this breakdown into fatty acid and glycerol. So this is about gallbladder and function of bile juice. Our next slide is about pancreas. So pancreas is a gland which is located below the stomach. As you can see in the picture, ये just stomach के नीचे situated होती है, and pancreas also secretes some kind of digestive juice which we called pancreatic juice, and this juice directly releases into the small intestine. And as we have discussed about bile juice break down fat globules or complex fat globules into simple fat globules, and then fatty acid and glycerol. And pancreas, like pancreatic juice, break down starch, or you can say complex sugar, into simple sugar like glucose. It also break down protein into simpler compound like amino acid. So the main function of pancreatic juice is it break down starch into simple sugar, and it also break down protein into amino acid. So the process of digestion complete in the small intestine. So this is about pancreas, and our next slide is about absorption of food. So the process of digestion is complete in the small intestine, and the small intestine absorb most of the nutrients present in your food. When all the nutrients absorb or digest by the small intestine, जब जो भी food items you are intaking, जो भी आप खा रहे हैं, वो सारा complete digestion हो जाता है उसका small intestine में, then further the nutrients goes all over the body. So how it goes all over the body, we'll discuss about it. So small intestine का जो main function है, that is digestion has complete here. So a special cell help absorb nutrients cross the intestinal lining into your bloodstream, as you can see in the slide. So in our next slide we'll discuss about some important feature or some important part of small intestine, which is villi. You can see in the picture. So our next slide about villi. Villi present in small intestine. Villi present on the inner lining of the small intestine. As you can see, it is present on the inner lining of the small intestine, and it is finger like projection. ये इनका जो shape होता है वो finger like होता है, and it connect with the blood capillaries. ये ब्लड कैपिलरीज के साथ कनेक्टेड होती हैं. जैसे ही न्यूट्रिएंट्स का कंप्लीट डाइजेशन होता है आपके स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, देन जो आपका ये कैपिलरीज कनेक्ट होती हैं विलाई से, ये उन न्यूट्रिएंट्स को सर्कुलेट करती हैं ऑल ओवर द body, because villi connected with blood vessels or blood capillaries. So this is the main function of villi. And the walls of small intestine have numerous folds that increase the surface area for absorption. So this is about villi. So today we have discussed about liver, bile juice store in a gallbladder, and the main function of bile juice is it breaks down the large fat globules into smaller or simpler fat globules, and this process we called it emulsification. Now we have discussed about pancreas. Pancreas also release or secrete some kind of digestive juice which we call pancreatic juice, which is directly released into small intestine. And the pancreatic juice has two main functions. It breaks down the smaller sugar, the complex sugar like starch into simpler sugar like glucose, and it also break down protein particle into amino acid. And now then we have discussed about absorption of food, about small intestine, as the process of digestion is completed in the small intestine. And then we have discussed about villi, which is connected with the blood capillaries, and it circulates all the nutrients all over the body. So that's all for the day. I am giving you worksheet also. Complete your work. Till then, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.